welcome to YouTube episode number 154. Myself Lalia Dattagupta, Sanskriti Kolkata, and today's episode is on exclusive hand embroidered katha in pure silk and tussars. Product number 1, Bangalore Silk Nokshi Reverse Katha. All over thread work. It's a beautiful floral hand work, heavy quality Bangalore silk. Can you see Nokshi? We say Nokshi Katha when there's thread work done outside the motif of the work, the fabric also. So the motifs are all filled with Katha work along with the fabric that is outside the motif. The whole sari, the whole fabric is of Katha embroidery. So this is called Nokshi Katha. It's a diagonal design with all over work in the pallu. From the yoke, you get work from the yoke and then diagonally it diminishes. So here is the whole sari, beautiful work in butter color with blouse piece. Again, let me tell you, in all the episodes from day 1 Katha, I've been telling you that Katha blouse pieces, when there is all over work, there is little less blouse piece material because the fabric shrinks due to the massive amount of thread work that is done. So in that case, the Katha material shrinks a bit, due to which the 6.5 meter fabric comes to around 6.2. So you get around 70 to 75 centimeter of blouse piece. So add fabric. Like in this one, you can add some red raw silk material or any, you can wear a bottle green also, solid color, and use the border, or you can just mix and match with the sari fabric along with some separate extra fabric, whichever goes with the sari. 7,700 for this Nokshi Katha. Number 2, 7700. In the screenshot, all the details of the product is already mentioned. Just have a look at that, and when you do the booking, please take the screenshot of the product along with the number. You are taking the screenshot but you are cropping off the number. So the number is important. All the products are numbered. So we sometimes, even if there are 2-3 similar type designs, but with the number we can identify exactly the product that you want, so there won't be a mistake. This is product number 2. See the work closely. Again, all over Katha stitch in Bangalore silk, Nokshi Katha again. Now, folk Katha, Golpo Katha, 7,700 in tussar. This is a lightweight tussar with all over work. See the Nokshi, the Golpo Katha embroidery. See the Golpo Katha embroidery. To show you that. Throughout embroidery, see the work, the figures, the story. We say this Golpo Katha, it's a folk whirly thread work in black, off-white with black, throughout work. Beautiful all over embroidery with blouse piece again, running blouse piece. This is the blouse piece. Here you can wear a black and white block printed blouse and use the border, or you can wear a red and black printed blouse with the border. So you can always mix and match if you have less fabric. Sometimes there is 90-95 centimeters, but sometimes there is little less material. 7,700. Product number 3. Product number 4, 7,700 again. This is reverse Katha, again in a lightweight tussar. There are many quality of tussar. These are little lighter weight because there's so much of work, but these are pure, definitely pure tussar, but the count is slightly less, but that doesn't mean it's a bad quality tussar. It's a pure tussar. 7,700 to keep the range a bit low, because I have pure tussars 9,500 also, similar work. That's a heavy counter thread. So this is again reverse Katha all over. So these are very in demand, keeping the range in mind. Pure tussar with all over embroidery. Here is the blouse piece. It has a sleek Katha border. Again, you can wear a green or a Firoza blouse with this and use the border and keep the sari running. See the product. Beautiful all over reverse katha in multicolor threads that has been used. Here is the close up of the work, and here is the back side of the finish of the work. Lovely katha in tussar. Now coming to batik katha in Bangalore silk. The price of this is 8,500. Pink with temple batik, crack batik done in Bangalore silk. Temple thread work in katha, self to self, pink and black and white color combinations only. Nowadays this is appreciated much more. So these are lovely solid color crack batik katha with in batik, pure Bangalore silk. Can you see the temple design throughout the lower border? The upper part will have the straight border. So here is the whole sari after you drape. Very smart design with black blouse, and of course the katha border will be there. And also see the work in the pallu. Very neat, intricate, close work. By now those who've taken our katha, they know how the finish is, the quality of the product is. You can check out the feedback which I upload in the WhatsApp status 7603042696. Your feedback is uploaded there, your reviews. It's very important for me, negative and positive both. If you if your expectation is much more higher, please tell me, I'll work on it. One complaint that I get is delay in replying. I try my best. I till 3:30 at night I try to complete the daily message replies. So most of you by now you know how late I stay awake to reply all your messages, but still you understand I'm after all a human being. This is the blouse piece for this. It's in rust. Beautiful color combination in a very dark chocolate color with rust color combination, and lovely thread work. Broad border pallu. Broad border pallu design. 8500. This is the pallu part. Beautiful sari. In case I miss out any of the prices, kindly check it in the description below. There's a Facebook page link that is also given in the description part. Sanskriti Kolkata Facebook page. You can check out the photos in that page. Nokshi and reverse katha album, exclusive katha album. You will get to see the still pictures of these products, as still pictures are not shared. You can of course relook at the pictures. Though all will be uploaded in the Facebook page. This is the lower border part. The upper part I'm already holding against myself. Yellow color. See the temple embroidery, how neat the work is. See the back part. The finish is very important. Again and again I try to focus on the complete polish and finish of the product. That is very important. No wonder I have got karigars who I'm very biased towards my karigars, because they know the finish I want. Even though I get much cheaper rate karigars nowadays, I can of course compromise with the price and then reduce my products a bit, but then I will not ever compromise with the quality. So in that case, I know you're ready to pay few hundred rupees more for the overall finish of the product, because these are handwork and they never wear out. Generation wise you can wear this, and on pure silks and tussar. So of course these will not they last for many years. So why would you compromise with the quality and the overall look of the product? Because it's handwork. You can use it for runners, wall hangings, lovely photo frame, background of photo frame, cushion covers, Many more options. Jackets later. This is the pallu part. Red Bangalore silk. See the work. Beautiful work. All over embroidery. Half sari, and then comes the lower border. Here is the blouse piece border, both the sleeves and the back. The back part will also have the thread work. Number 9, again Bangalore silk. Border pallu, buta, golap katha, rose embroidery, rose design. Now see the work. How neat the embroidery is. Every petal, the way the thread has been, the finish, the complete neat bhorati ka jeta amra boli. 8500 with border and tassels. 8500, product number 9. We are just taking the video in showroom light, and then no filter, further filter is done. And this is the blouse piece for this. So whatever you are seeing, there may be a 19-20 difference in the device, but we do not filter our products. Even for my Facebook page uploads, you will never see filtering. In fact, I'm not very good. I don't even know the process much of filtering also. I still have to learn. This is the pallu part. Now number 10. This is also 8500, I think. 8800. Black, gorgeous katha, lovely poddo katha, lotus katha in black, border tassel in red, all over buta. This is the blouse piece. Achol. A very, very fashionable, lovely sari. You can wear it with silver jewelry. It will look very, very pretty. Once again, I'll show you the work, how well the work is done in Bangalore silk pure. All the sarees I'll show in katha is all pure tussar. And even the mannequin, it's wearing a Bangalore silk in white with Firoza katha embroidery. Again, this is also poddo katha in white, Bangalore silk. It has a running blouse. But I've made her wear it with a printed cotton blouse. It's 425 rupees a meter. 425 rupees a meter, this cotton 1 meter blouse big width, and the sari price is this is 8,900 for this poddo katha. Beautiful work. See the shades of sea green and sky blue color, and even the body all over buta. This is the sari, beautiful sari. So that's it. And in between, let me tell you about what I'm wearing. I'm also wearing a very heavy quality Bangalore silk two-tone with, see the work, see the pallu, exclusive thread work, very, very intricate and very different design also in geometric. 8,900 for this. It has a running blouse with this border. The blouse piece will have this border. Of course, I usually don't wear a sari blouse. I always mix and match. This is one of my Banarasi blouse. So I think it's going more or less with this. And here is the neck piece that I'm wearing. It is 2550 choker. 2550 choker with this earring, this pair of earring and this choker is 2550 for the set. Is it clear to you? I'm sure it is, you can understand. And this pair of balas, I didn't wear two pieces because it will make sound and it will be disturbing for me to show in the video. So this two filigree work, beautiful metal bala. It has the screw here. You can open it and any wrist size can wear this. Again 2550 for the pair. 2550, it's a bit heavy quality bala. So you can, there we have more options of these two. You can check out the other episode where I wear. So 2550 for the pair of bangles. This is again a very nice concept, 8800, red and sea green color with block printing in between. It's a panel concept sari, red green block printing. Red and green is filled with Katha geometric and the center panel is in print. This is the pallu part. Here is the blouse piece in a block printed blouse piece with this border. This is the blouse piece. It's a Worley print, folk printed block printing done. And this is how it will look on draping. Achol for you once again with a center square part in yellow. Very smart looking, a different concept sari. So now coming to another peacock blue color, very elegant Katha work. We have two branches in Kolkata, 26-year-old flagship store. We are a label of 26 years. Among the two branches, the oldest one is near Baliganj railway station, 12 Jamir Lane, Baliganj, Kolkata 19, and the other one is 2C Cornfield Road, Baliganj, Kolkata 19, where we have the men's section also. Till the Durga Puja, we will be remaining open every day, 10 o'clock in the morning to 8 at night. So you can, please visit and check out more options, more collections. But to get these particular products, since Katha and all these are all single piece, please prior booking is important. First come, first serve basis. Once I confirm the availability of the product, we will give you the business account bank details, and once the payment is done, we will courier it to you in 3 working days. You will receive within India within 5 to 6 or 7 days, and then outside India also we ship worldwide. The shipping charges depends on the destination and the weight. The more you buy, the less you pay. In Kolkata, only cash on delivery possible, not outside Kolkata. And again, every time I always tell you, okay, in between let me tell, this is 8800, product number 12, Bangalore Silk. Now in between, please, when you are giving your shipping address, it should be in one format: name, full address, pin code and phone number. Again, every time the shipment is getting delayed because I'm not getting the telephone numbers. The proper telephone number is compulsory. Please send it in one format. This is a zari border tussar. Zari border tussar with zari woven pallu, 8900 with Katha. Mehendi green. Very subtle thread work has been used, color combination, but it's a very different kind. It's a beautiful raw tussar, lovely. It's a very different kind of a tussar fabric, pure of course. This is the blouse piece in contrast magenta. So it will have the zari border with self on self work in the blouse piece border, and here is the sari. Very different color combination, the different design. And here is the work. Throughout the sari will have this cherry booty along with the Katha work. Maroon Bangalore silk multicolored katha. See the work, lovely shade, all over multicolored katha in dark maroon. Lovely embroidery, it's in dark maroon color with very beautiful color combination has been used in this lovely Bangalore silk sari. See the colors that has been used and the work is also beautiful thread work, very neat, and you know the threads are just as if it has been ironed together. I mean, it's a beautiful finish. That's very important. Again, let me tell you the finish. With the blouse piece, of course, the blouse piece will have, see closely the work. And of course, the blouse piece will have this border also. This is also very smart. Black and wine. Magenta color. See the geometric embroidery in the border. 3-panel. White, magenta, white again. 8900. 8900. Even in my Facebook page, all the prices and material description is mentioned. So everything we are very open about, we are very transparent about the quality and the price from day one, even when I was not in the YouTube this thing or in Insta. Even then, from day one, my Facebook page, everything, the prices and all the details, everything was mentioned. The back, this is the back, and again both the sleeves will have the same border. And here is the sari for you. Beautiful work, beautiful combination. We love black and that also with magenta. Midnight blue, soft polish, 8900, all over work. See the work. No orders are taken in Katha. Every week almost I try to show one Katha episode because fortunately it sells out quite fast because these are handwork, these are very much in demand. But for those who have not got our products yet, so please have your patience. I definitely every week I'll trying my best to show an episode on Katha. Even if I'm uploading 3 to 5 episodes a week, there will be one Katha. Hopefully you will get, everybody will get good, very good Katha, I assure you. The body is on monotone self embroidery. One color thread work has been used, but the border we've used multiple colors. So this is why it's looking very different. "3D Katha." Why we say 3D? Nothing, it's just the 3-dimension concept of the weave of the silk, pure silk, and then Katha work is done. Actually the fabric is 3D fabric. You know, it's a, see, this is one color, one, you know, these three, kind of dual tone threads, and again a contrast pallu. Gorgeous thread work in Katha, and this is all in figures. Magenta purple combination with a touch of green. Contrast green blouse piece. Both the sleeves and the back. And see the work. Dokra inspired figures have been embroidered in this lovely 3D silk sari in Bangalore silk. Gorgeous color combination and very, very intricate exclusive thread work. Number 18. See the colors. Dual tone shades of blue. This is also in folk work. Sea green, aqua, peacock blues, lovely shades. See the shades. Emerald greens with a contrast blouse piece. Bottle green, again multicolor. Please do like, share and subscribe to get regular notifications. In the WhatsApp status, every day around 30 to 35 pictures are uploaded in the WhatsApp status. Available products which are now available, those are uploaded. So you can have a look and purchase from the WhatsApp status also. Moreover, you can of course visit the branches and then do your shopping also. This is the border, the work in bottle green, Bangalore silk, katha in bottle green, dual tone, multicolored katha, the work for you. And the blouse piece will have this border. Tussar, dyed tussar katha. This is the upper part. Half sari will be in poppin blue, purplish blue with all over embroidery. Aanchol. And the rest half, there will be a dye in reddish maroon. With blouse piece. See the combination, very pretty combination. Another very vibrant color in tussar 89090, yellow and blue. Very bright, vibrant color combination, but since it's in yellow and blue, it looks really, really gorgeous. And see the work also. It has the village work in the pallu part, and this embroidery is also very, very neat. See the back part. Very neat work with royal blue blouse piece. Here is the blouse piece for this. Royal blue blouse piece with a sleek border, and here is the sari. Tussar. All dyed tussar, bright red and black. $8990. You will love watching all the kathas today. See the blouse piece for this. It's a bright red. It's a bright red color. And apologies, this is in Bangalore silk, not in. It's a. This is a heavy quality silk, very heavy quality silk. 228990. Here is the sari, not tussar, it's silk. This is tussar, reverse. 239200. See the work. Border pallu concept in Desi tussar. Reverse embroidery. Reverse katha. Here we leave out the motif and fill up the rest of this thing so that the motif just stands out. Lovely shade of a deep Rama green color combination in Desi tussar. Blouse piece, sleeves, back, full work. This is the sleeves, this is the back, and here is the sari. $24. Desi tussar reverse in pink, strawberry pink color. See the embroidery. Very sober work, very sober combination in very heavy quality Desi tussar. Blouse piece. Check out this work. Very uncommon. Achol. It's a Oiravat motive all over, border pallu concept, broad border pallu, and see the embroidery again in Desi tussar. See the work. Absolutely stunning with blouse piece. Here is the, it's beautiful, I mean absolutely stunning work, and this is the blouse piece for this. Another Desi tussar all over embroidery in orange and red. What a beauty. Awesome combination. All over work in the body, and then in the pleats it will be skirt border with temple. Here is the pleat part. We do katha only in pure tussar or silk and pure cottons. Maheshwari is pure fabric, not in art. And of course it will have this blouse piece for this is this. Another multicolor all over. Achol. The prices are all clearly mentioned, so just check out the prices from the description. Here is the border. Again another shaded tussar, beautiful, gorgeous, exclusive. Last two sarees, so many shading, rangoli, beautiful zari border tussar. This is also zari border, this part is zari border. So two zari border, it will be clear this side, zari border, dyed with work. Every panel has embroidery in it, every panel. And here is the pallu part along with the zari weave. This is the zari weave, this is the katha work. I'll just show you two similar shades, more or less similar, but there will be little difference. So take the screenshot. This is the blouse piece for this. Deep Firoza, front and back full work, and this is the shade. Please give me options when you book, so that in case you don't get the other one, you have the option of the other one. And this is the last one. Very colorful, but at the same time beautiful handwork. So much of embroidery in a beautiful heavy quality woven zari border tussar, all over work. The previous one had a Firoza blouse. This one matching with the pallu will have this Rast blouse. Achol. So this is today's kathas. These are all the kathas for today's episode. Keep watching and please let the love grow. Thank you so much.